Discord is the best method to communicate with friends online. The free program has evolved from a simple TeamSpeak experience to one that includes voice, text, bots, and streaming. We like how easy it is to jump into a conversation with pals for hours, but we don't like how difficult it can be to tweak Discord's billion conversation options to best serve our specific preferences. We use Discord on a daily basis and still get lost scrolling through its various user options. But after several years on the platform, we've developed a few go-to adjustments that everyone can benefit from. Hi, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. In this channel, we bring you thrilling and informative news about the world of technology. We update you about the world's electronics, tech advancements, and more, so stay tuned. In this video, we will share the greatest Discord settings of 2022 to make your community much more efficient. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. It would also be helpful if you gave this video a like and shared it with your friends. Without further ado, here are the top recommendations for getting the most out of Discord in 2022. Turning on noise suppression. There was a time when fiddling with Discord's many voice options so your buddies couldn't hear the keyboard clicks or the fan blaring in your room was necessary, but now you can skip much of that bother with a single toggle. If you don't want to use push to talk but want Discord to broadcast your mic openly, turn on noise suppression. While connected to a voice channel, you'll notice a dedicated button for it in the lower left panel. It's also available in the voice and video options. Noise suppression is a useful feature that filters your microphone using AI-assisted noise cancellation. Discord's noise filter, like NVIDIA's broadcasts, doesn't just cancel out sounds that are below a specific volume. It also looks for noises other than your voice, such as keyboard clicks, mouse clicks, fans, clapping, and so on, and stops them at the door. In our experience, it works really well. It's strange to clap, snap your fingers, or pound on your desk and have none of it reach your friend's ears. Similar apps exist, but the benefit of not having a third-party program running in the background is significant. Running noise suppression plus an external program like Broadcast at the same time is not a good idea. The two-filter method can significantly reduce the quality of your microphone and cut off portions of your sentences. Just keep in mind that the AI isn't perfect. We've had it stop operating or generate strange static for short periods of time, but the hiccups are worth it. While noise suppression is active, it will consume additional CPU power, although the difference should be minimal if you have a decently capable PC. When your PC reaches its limit, Discord will turn off noise suppression automatically to save resources. If this happens, you'll have to remember to turn it back on later, which is a pain. Now that noise suppression is available on Discord Mobile, you'll never have to hear traffic horns again as your friend walks his dog. Stream any app to friends on PC. The Go Live button in Discord is pretty effective at recognizing what game you're playing and launching a stream with a single click, but it's not flawless. Discord may fail to recognize the game you're playing and instead provide the option to start an audio-less screen share. There is a simple workaround that allows you to tell Discord to stream any game or app already running on your PC. This one parameter is so versatile that it's essentially the not-so-secret key to unlocking the true potential of Discord Go Live. Scroll all the way down to activity status in the options menu. Discord has access to each app you're using at any given moment. It allows you to switch on its overlay for that app in the green box up top. Click the small text below the box that says Add It to bring up a drop-down menu of every program currently running. Choose which program you'd like to include, and you're done. Keep in mind that some people don't use this option since it can affect the performance of certain games. We usually utilize this feature to add old or new games to Discord's database, although Google Chrome is the non-game software we stream the most. Starting a stream is useful for connecting with online finds or synchronized YouTube viewing. Add a music bot to your server. Discord has a large bot library that can perform everything from roll dice for a D&D campaign to spreading news on specific themes. But a music bot is one that practically every server can benefit from. Music bots seem like regular Discord users and can be recruited with simple text commands to stream ad-free music based on your search, which are mainly from YouTube, but other sites are also supported. They're the closest thing to an internet jukebox, and they offer a helpful option of playing music in sync with every user in a channel at the same time. Adding most bots to a server is as simple as clicking the Add button and accepting access to the bot when a Discord dialogue occurs. Music bots are so useful that in 2021, Google took note and shut down 2 popular music bots for violating YouTube's terms of service. There are still a few working music bots around, but they're a dying breed, so make use of them while you can. There are 3 bots we recommend for your music groove in Discord. First, there's HaikuBot, which scans text channel communications for 575 patterns and generates haikus for your pals to enjoy. CarlBot is a great choice for servers that need some organizing. This bot can automate the role assignment procedure, among other things. Finally, Remoji is a handy, tiny bot that can instantly publish new, custom emotes to your preferred server. Turn off annoying notifications. If you're like a lot of Discord users and have over a dozen Discord servers that you don't check very often, you owe it to yourself to turn off all of those annoying notification sounds. To see a list of mute options, right-click any server on the left sidebar and hover over notification settings. Some individuals used to arrange servers so that they would only get notified when they were mentioned, but Discord has implemented additional mute settings that also silences at here and at everyone, which we strongly advise you to use. Before continuing with our video, what do you think of these Discord settings so far? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Next is set a few custom keybinds. We normally avoid assigning keybinds unless the controls in a game are terrible, but you'll be glad you started using them in Discord one day. You can assign keys to all sorts of Discord tasks, including screen sharing, toggling the overlay, and turning on streamer mode via the keybinds menu, which is available on the main settings list. If you're utilizing an open mic, create a toggle mute bind that you can access when your hardware mute button is out of reach. If your voice chat is laggy, you should try switching server regions. Discord is a great service for voice chat. However, it can be a little sluggish at times. Switching the voice channel's server region is often a simple cure if everyone is experiencing voice lag or disconnecting at the same time. Right-click a voice channel, select Edit Channel, and go down to Region Override if you have admin access to the server. By default, Discord selects areas for you, but you can easily switch to a nearby zone to send everyone to a less sluggish server until the main one is resolved. Consider boosting your server if you stream a lot. We believe that a Discord Nitro subscription is worth the money if you have a Discord server full of pals that enjoy streaming games for each other. It does have a $10 monthly subscription fee. It offers a few extra features, such as animated stickers and more banner possibilities. But the only thing we care about is that it can supply 60 frames per second at 720p for all users. You can obtain 1080p streaming as a Nitro member who boosts the server, but 720p looks absolutely fine on our level 1 server. At level 2, you can enable 1080p for all users, but it's not worth the extra $25 in server boosts. And that's the video! What are your thoughts on these Discord settings? Would you like to apply them on your own servers? Do you have any questions? Don't hesitate to comment below. Now it's your turn! If you have any ideas or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment below. We always love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be updated of new videos. Again, this is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. Thanks for watching!